Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your English literature class, children. So, we have completed the half yearly examination, right? And just day before yesterday, we have completed our exam and we are moving towards the unit test 2, right? Now, we have completed unit 1, unit test 1, then we have done half yearly. Now, we'll have unit test 2. Okay, so from today onwards, we'll start with the syllabus of unit test 2. Okay, I hope that all of you have done well in the examination and we are going to get the result very soon, right? So by that time we will start our syllabus for unit test 2. So take out your book. You all know that this is your English literature book, right? The new Mulberry course book 1, and open your book at page number 7171. 7171. So today we will start with a poem. Okay, and the name of the poem is The Moon and Stars. The Moon and Stars. So this is page number 71 of your book. And the poem that we are going to read today is Moon and Stars. There's two words, moon and star. So these two words are very familiar to us, isn't it? It is very familiar to all of us. You all like to see the sky. You all like to look at the sky and see the beautiful view of the moon and the stars twinkling in the sky at night, right? So all of us, we love to see the sight, the beautiful sight, isn't it? What is that? The star twinkles, isn't it, in the sky? When? At night, isn't it? And we see moon at night only, isn't it? So, and at the daybreak we can see the sun. So, but here the poem is about the moon and stars. Okay, here on this page you can see a boy. So here in this poem we'll read about a boy who looks at the sky through his window. Okay, see, at night, this is his window. He's on his bed, isn't it? Through his window he's looking outside and he's enjoying the sight of moon and the stars. So in this poem we'll read about a child who sees the moon and star every night before he goes to sleep, okay, through his window, right? So let us read the poem. We'll read the poem first. So all of you will read the poem with me. Moon and stars, shining up on high. When I go to bed at night, I see you in the sky. Next, moon and stars, tell me what is wrong. When I wake at the break of day, all of you are gone. Now here, as a child, you might have a question in your mind that at night we can see the moon and the stars twinkling. Isn't it? The twinkling stars we can see at night and the beautiful moon we see at night. But as soon as it is morning, yes, in the early morning, we cannot see, in the morning we cannot see the stars are shining and the moon too, right? Why? So there is a query in the mind of this small child that why can't we see the sun, the moon and the stars at the daybreak, means at the early morning, isn't it? So this question comes up in the mind of this small boy. Okay, so and then the story is about this little boy who has a query in his mind regarding why can't we see the moon and stars as soon as the day breaks, means in the early morning, but at night every day before going to sleep, this boy, he looks at the moon through his window. Okay, so read the poem once again. You have to learn the poem. You have to learn the meaning with the punctuation marks. Means see, moon and stars. Here a comma is given. Moon and stars. Again a comma. Means you have to pause. Okay, when you recite the poem, you have to pause. Then shining up on the high. Where can we see? Where they shine? They shine up on the sky, isn't it? So shining up on high. When I go to bed at night, the boy is saying that every day when I go to bed to sleep at night, I can see. Okay, I can see you in the sky. Who is saying this? The boy. The boy is saying that I can see the moon and stars shining up on high every day at night when I go to sleep. And before go to sleep, he looks at the moon and at the stars, okay, through his window. When we come to the next stanza, the moon again he is saying, moon and stars, tell me what is wrong. He thinks what is wrong? Why can't we see? He wonders why can't we see the moon and the stars at night? Okay, so he is thinking there might be something wrong. Where they have gone? He has no idea as he is a very little child. Okay, so he is saying that tell me what is wrong. Why can't we see you? He wonders. He wants to know. He wants to know that. So tell me what is wrong. Why can't I see you in the morning? Okay, when I wake up at the break of day, he's saying that when I get up from my bed, when I wake up early in the morning, so where all of you are gone, where do you go? Okay, he has no idea about this. Okay, why don't we see the moon and the stars at the daybreak, in the day? Okay, why only at night? He has no idea regarding this, so he wonders. Okay, and this is the poem all about. Okay, here he sees, look at the moon, he inquires that where the moon and the stars they go when it is morning. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to read the story, means you have to recite the poem, and you have to learn, you have to memorize the poem, and with correct punctuation marks you have to, when you are going to write the poem, you have to give the correct punctuation marks, means the comma, full stop, okay, all the punctuation marks you have to put correctly, and learn the spellings also. Okay, so this is the poem. You read the poem, you write the poem in your CW copy, and at the bottom of this page you can see break of day. This is the word meaning. Okay, break of day means what? Early morning. You write that also. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.